Hi, I'm Vinayak from Vinayaka Jewelry, Jaipur. So before using MIDAP, we were managing a lot of things on manual systems and on the Google Sheet as well as recommended, sir. Tracking orders, repairs, and internal workflows was not very structured. After shifting to MIDAP, everything became much more organized. We have now more complete visibility of the orders and other internal working as well. It is very easy for the team to communicate and coordinate between departments has improved a lot. Follow-ups and delays have significantly reduced. Another important factors that was very important for us was data privacy, because in the jewelry business and many of other businesses as well, the major thing is privacy that Google Sheet does not provide. But in the MIDAP we are getting all the data privacy and everything. So it has saved us time, improved efficiency, given us privacy, and made our operations more professional. So definitely, I would recommend MIDAP to all the businesses out there which have a lot of internal operations and everything. And you should definitely take the trial and implement in your business.